There's an initiative called Capture the Flag, a project that the Second Amendment Foundation started. So I'm working with the Second Amendment Foundation on the Capture the Flag initiative, and what the goal is to bring challenges to red flag laws throughout the United States. So with red flag laws, you have a civil case where anybody in some states can go to court and say, hey, you're dangerous. Based on that person's say-so, a warrant comes out of the court, and it's a warrant for the confiscation of all of your firearms and ammunition. So when someone red flags you, and that's what it's called, you're getting red flagged, you're the subject of this petition, someone thinks you're dangerous and you need to have your guns taken away from you. What happens is that the judge can consider a variety of factors. For example, did you make a threat? Is there evidence that you used drugs? Things like that. But one of the factors that actually gets considered in some states is whether or not you recently purchased a firearm, or whether or not you recently purchased ammunition. So if you think about that, that's completely irrational. That's like the Salem witch trials. You are potentially subject to confiscation because you exercised that right. What SAF is doing with Capture the Flag is the following things. Number one, SAF is identifying plaintiffs for actions all around the country. Very important. We are inviting plaintiffs to come forward and tell their stories, and if the right plaintiff comes along, SAF is prepared to sponsor litigation challenging their individual red flag experience and the red flag law of that state. Number two, SAF is prepared to be a plaintiff in these cases to provide, the organizational standing that is needed in these lawsuits to represent SAF's members all throughout the country. And then number three, SAF is prepared, obviously, to provide the financial backing for these litigations. So SAF is really doing three critically important things in this fight against red flag laws, and that's what Capture the Flag is all about.